Let's do some mind reading. Tony, I'm gonna ask you to focus on one word, okay? Meron ka ng word sa isip mo ngayon, right?
Yeah, I have a word.
Okay, sige. Think of the first letter of the word. Ang bilis, L.
Totoo, L
Sige.
niya, okay.
Tony, do me a favor, just say the word in your mind. Okay. Okay. One more. Okay. Pwedeng isa pa, sorry. Okay, good. Sige, thank you. Okay. May sinulat ako dito. Of course, hindi ko na kayang mabago to, Tony.
Okay.
Nice and loud so everyone can hear you at marinig sa camera.
Okay.
Ano yung word na iniisip mo?
Langit.
Langit. It's lang.
Paano? Oh my God! Hindi ko alam paano.
Langit nga!
Paano nila ginagawa? Hindi ko ganun talaga reaction ko. Wow!